All right, here's some of the agates that I found Saddle Mountain over the weekend, and excuse the poor camera work. I have a bunch right here that I'm in the process of cleaning up a bit before I put them in muriatic acid, but they're just all kinds of colored. This one's kind of cool looking. It's all agate. All of this material right here. Now all of this will clean up, but it's got that nice row of chalcedony. Now chalcedony is cryptocrystalline quartz, which is a fancy term for really, really fine grained quartz, and it forms banded layers in a lot of times in volcanic rocks where these are found, and they produce really, really nice colors and the banded agates. The general term is just an agate. Well, there's a lot of these everywhere I use a toothbrush, but there's a lot of plant material on them. This one's unusual. See all the circle patterns as it would just deposit it out of solution. Just really, really pretty. Here's another one right here. Now to wet this, let me wet it over here. There you can kind of see, look at there you go. Hey, I'm giving some of these away. In fact, a lot of them. But this is about, from Maryville, about 45 miles. And yeah, it's well worth the trip.